Hi, in this video we will take a look at how we can use Bixby Voice to take a photo or record a video on the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e or the S10 Plus. Now using Bixby Voice we don't even have to use our hand or touch the camera at all. Hi Bixby, record a video with the front camera. So you can see it start recording straight away. Hi Bixby, take a photo. Hi Bixby, switch to the back camera. And the camera has been switched to the back. It is dark because it's facing down. Hi Bixby, take a photo. And there it is. So you can use Bixby to take a photo or a video. And when you finish, you can ask Bixby to take you back to the home screen or close the app. Hi Bixby, go back to home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.